You are watching How to Pro. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Making an iCloud backup of your iPhone is a smart move. Even better, it's simple. First, select your name by tapping in Settings. Press iCloud. Next, select iCloud Backup. If backup this iPhone isn't turned on already, do so. It just needs to be turned on once. Then simply press Backup now. Backup the simple way. Make sure to subscribe to our How to Pro YouTube channel to get more tips and tricks for using your iPhone.